Hello developers, welcome in Knowledge Kida. Today we will see how to put a text on image. Let's create one file cv underscore put text dot py. So our first task import cv2. Then we'll use image variable to store image cv2 dot imread. Let's read image that I shown kk.png media slash kk.png. Opencv provides put text function. In that first parameter is image, then the text we want, then we give starting point of text which is lower bottom, this point, consider this point. As per image consideration you can see this point here, that point you need to give. So that point, then we will give font which we want. After that we'll give scaling. Then there is color, and last parameter is thickness. So let's apply this function to our image. cv2 dot put text. Let's give image. Then we'll put some text. Suppose I'll put please like, share and subscribe. So friends, if you like our channel, please subscribe it. That will be helpful for me. So then we will give font. Then for font we use cv2 dot font underscore HERSHEY underscore simplex. Then we will give scaling, and then we'll give color. Suppose we'll use 2550, 0, and then the thickness which we want. Suppose I'm getting 2. Let's use IMShow function to show the image. Then in that first parameter will be knowledge kid I am giving as title, or you can consider tab name. Another is image. After that we apply wait key and destroy all windows as we saw in all previous videos. So let's run this program. Python cv underscore put text dot py. We made a mistake, so I forgot to give starting point. So let's give starting point. Now let's run. Yeah, see, we are seeing that the text, that image we are processing. Let's check with another fonts. There are different types of fonts, that is simplex, plain, duplex, complex, triplex, like that. So let's try with plain. See, fonts is changed. If we go for duplex, see, font again change. Again triplex, let's see, font size again increase. Let's try with complex small. Let's see, complex but small, like that. These are fonts provided by Opencv. You can Google it. Script underscore simplex. See, I think you like that font. Then we will go for complex. Let's see. So I hope you like our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you all. Let's meet in another video with new topic.